Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be doing another play with watercolors, and I'm going to try something else from this Wildflower watercolor book. I want to try these, see, they're called, I can't pronounce, purple cone flowers, but something like that. Mine's not going to be as pretty as those probably, but that's fine. And I've mixed my colors. I've got, or most of them, I have got a little bit of a, it's a rose mixed with a kind of a brown, goldy brown, and then I have got another red that's mixed with water to get it real light. So, like I said, I'm learning to do this. I'm just having fun. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start off by taking a small little flat brush, and I am going to do some like semicircles, and I'm just going to kind of pull it up like that, kind of get them go in different directions. And I want to, like where there's dried flowers would be, and just do those up here. Okay. And now I want to take a larger flat brush, and with the pinker looking color, make some petals. I'll get my book to stay open so I can see it. And I'm just gonna pull down like this and make my petals. Just got the flat end, and the way this one is, I just want to kind of want to go shorter up there. And I'm just gonna try not to touch. Try not to Okay. Well, I am touching, and that's getting in there, but I'm not going to worry with it. Now this will all dry later. So I'm just going to keep coming in and making more petals. Okay. And now I am going to take a small, looking for a small round brush. And I am gonna get some of this green. Let me mix these. I'm just gonna mix it right here till I get a color I like. They give you the colors, but I don't even know what set she's using. I haven't really looked into it. So I'm just getting the closest that it looks to me. I've got a swatch of these colors, and I'm just gonna draw these through. Probably should have let that dry. And I'm just gonna get some grass. I want a larger round brush and kind of do some wait. Okay. And now, I think I'm just going to get a little bit more of a... Now I'm going to let this dry and then see where I want to go from there. So I'm going to let this dry and I'll be back. All right, it is pretty dry. And now I want to see if I can make this look a little better. Let's see here. I'm not happy. Let's ramp. I need my... I'll use that one. I'm not happy that it's just like it all looks like the same color. So now let's see if I can find something to darken it just a little bit. Maybe... It's got a little bit of brown. Let's see if I can make this look any better. Okay. I like that. Now let's see. See, I need to enhance that green. The pink kind of smeared into it, so I want to see if I can work on that. See if I can, I want to see if I can take a darker color. Let's see. There is a purple here. I'm just going to play it by ear. Like I said, I don't know what colors they use. I'm just trying to get it to look like that from my swatches. So just to give it a little bit of kind of a definition. I'm not liking that too much, too thick. Just the only way to learn. Keep playing with it. I think that's a little bit too dark. I'm gonna pull up some of that. Just add a little bit more water, kind of remove some of that color. That's one good thing. And try this again. Just a not too bad. I think now I want to go with a lighter green. See if I can bring in some highlights to some of these. I don't want to overdo it, but just to give me a little something. Okay. I'm happier. Now, let me get my... I should have already had this out. I forgot. My pens. Got here a 3. Try the 1 millimeter, and then I can just do some sketchy lines. I haven't been practicing. I need to do this every day. And then it won't be so awkward every time I do this. I have been working on those journals. Like that. I like that. All right, and now, let's see here. I need to get just a little bit of green up in here. Let's see, maybe a better color. Green got up in there. I don't know if I can get the pink. Back in here. Probably cannot. Oh well, it is what it is. I will sign it. May not be a work of art, but it's mine. So hopefully as I do this, I'll get better. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.